Good morning. This is National Weather Service meteorologist Matt Ludwig with your weekly weather briefing on this cold and wet Thursday morning. A cold spring storm will continue to move into the area today, bringing rain and snow to most of the area. The most significant impacts from this system will be heavy snow along the Rocky Mountain front and adjacent plains, where the highest amounts of snow are expected. Across the plains, snow amounts will be considerably lighter, but the heavy, wet nature of the snow will cause it to stick to trees and power lines, which may result in downed trees and power lines. Snow and rain will be heaviest from this evening through Friday morning, with the system winding down for Saturday. After a dry day on Saturday, moisture will return, but warmer temperatures will cause this batch of precipitation to fall as rain. Impacts from this next system will depend on where the heaviest rain falls. Refocusing on the present, here is the view from the goes west this morning. You can clearly see the clouds, which are the cooler colors in this image, developing over Montana as this system continues to bring rain and snow to the area. Rain and snow will occur in two main batches with this system. The first batch arrived last night and will continue to affect the north central plains and Rocky Mountain front through this afternoon. After a small break, another batch of snow will move into the area this evening, and will bring snow to the area through tomorrow morning. After this happens, some leftover snow showers will continue through the day, but these should be weaker than the first two rounds of snow. This system will bring quite a bit of beneficial moisture to the area, with storm total liquid equivalent amounts nearing 2 inches along the Rocky Mountain front, with lighter amounts to the south and to the east. Along the Rocky Mountain front and the adjacent plains, most of this moisture will fall as snow, totaling over 6 inches for most areas between the Continental Divide and I-15. Areas east of I-15 and south of I-90 will see under 3 inches of snow for the most part, outside of any higher terrain. While this moisture is much needed, this will still be a very impactful storm across the Rocky Mountain front and adjacent plains where the heaviest snow is expected, due to the amount of snow, the time of year, and how wet the snow will be. This combination of heavy wet snow will make travel difficult, but may also cause tree and power line damage. In addition, those in the backcountry and those with agricultural interests may also significantly be impacted by the cold and wet conditions, which may cause hypothermia. Another slow-moving weather system will move through the area early next week, with rain starting across the southwestern part of the state as early as Saturday night and lasting through Tuesday morning. While there does remain some uncertainty in the exact timing and placement of the heaviest rain, much of the area has a decent chance of seeing over 1 inch of rain in this period, as seen in the left image, with some areas having a small chance of seeing over 2 inches of rain from this system, as seen in the right image. That is all for this week's Great Falls weather briefing. To recap, a high-impact late-season snow will continue to impact the area, particularly the Rocky Mountain front, through Friday. After a quick break on Saturday, the next weather system will arrive late Saturday night or Sunday, bringing a soaking rain to the area through Tuesday morning. Please remain weather aware this week, and if you have any reports of damage, snowfall totals, or rainfall totals, feel free to send them to us through social media. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this week's briefing, and have a great rest of your week.